extraordinary, futuristic urban landscape that is the last city. This parallel world is set in the universe of industrial steampunk and neon lights. High-rise buildings are built on a backdrop of pipelines, factories, and sharp bends, bearing witness to the frantic chase embarked by multiple speeding marbles. The last city features a staircase that automatically transports the metal balls upwards in a synchronized fashion, looking like perfect soldiers marching up the dark way before they are deployed into the futuristic cityscape. The shadow mode allows for continuous play, with the marbles endlessly circulating through the structure in high-octane rays. There are infrared sensors that trigger the cool global lighting effects as the marbles pass through them. This is enabled by the USB power supply. The tunnel features a double-sided mirror reflection system with an annular halo, creating the illusion of a starry abyss at the heart of the city. Other special features of the last city include the expressway, the bus street sharp bend, and the Midtown Factory District. A special attribute is the spiral acceleration jumping platform, which is a thrilling jumping cliff between downtown and mid-level, leading to the final stage of the journey. The last city is a modular assembly kit that can be easily built in about 90 minutes. These puzzles are made of high-quality materials with pieces that snap together perfectly so you can do away with the glue and tools. The last city is the first kit in a proposed series. Being insatiably curious thinkers, we envision a network of futuristic-themed marble runs laid out side by side and stacked upwards. They will be connected by special highways and ramps that allow different configurations, amping up the fun and excitement in an already thrilling journey. Your support will help us bring the last city to life. While you purchase this puzzle, you also encourage others to exhibit creativity, innovation, and joy in building something extraordinary. This is the dream, and we hope your wonderful partnership makes this a reality.